Hey guys, in today's video I will show you how to add music to your video clip in Kdenlive. So make sure you're on your project bin. Here, right click and select add clip or folder. Choose your place where you have saved your music. Choose your music, for example this, and click OK. Drag and drop it underneath your clip. If you want to cut your music, just press X on your keyboard, click on this, choose your selection tool and press delete. And that's basically it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.